G'day, that slot car guy here. So another day, another delivery. What have I purchased? Let's get stuck into this slot car unboxing. And Simon, mate, you've done it again. Rightio, let's jump straight into the unboxing now. 3 cars, and for some reason I always buy 3 cars, from Simon Slot Cars on Facebook. Awesome second-hand slot car seller. These are second-hand, but awesome condition. So let's get into it. Like I said, 3 cars. One of them I am super excited to find. So we'll start off with, let's go Scalextric first. Now this is, again, used but very good condition. Alfa Romeo 155 in Martini livery. Now look, there's a little bit of damage to the screen, but you know what? I'm buying a second-hand car. The condition of this car is incredible. I've been looking for this for a while. I'm really happy to buy it. And again, the retro boxing. So Martini Alfa Romeo 155, super duper excited. Let's stick with Scalextric. And I've been, again, we're going to keep saying this, been looking for one of these. Now what are they called? Oh really? So it is the Scalextric motorbike and sidecar, which again, wicked car. Well, sorry, wicked bike. Good for the collector. I'm guessing this is used, but you would never know because they're such good condition. And again, the retro boxing. So same vintage as the Martini. So very excited to find that. Now, super happy to find this. Couldn't believe it when I saw it, and Simon was awesome to put it aside for me so I can purchase it. And whoop, don't break it. And of course, it's Carrera. We love Carrera, and it's the Porsche 911 RSR Turbo in the Martini livery. An incredible car. I'm a Porsche guy, but incredible for any collector. This is such a good model. Super happy to find. Again, Simon, thank you, mate, for putting it on the side for me. Wicked. Condition, amazing. I'm guessing it's used, but amazing condition. So there's the 3 cars, and we'll take a closer look at all 3 of them. Alrighty, so let's take a closer look at the 3 cars and bike. We'll move the Scalextric away, and let's pop the case off the Carrera. We'll just take a quick closer look at the car itself. So if you're a Martini fan or a Porsche fan, this is definitely a must for any collector. As everyone knows who watches, I love my Porsches, and I've been looking for this car for some time. So very cool. It is the Evolution, so it's not digital. Let's see if we can take it off the base. We'll leave it on the base, but you can put a digital chip in this, but this is analog. But I've got spare chips if I want to run digital. So very excited to find that. Let's take a quick look at the sidecar. Now I find a lot of these loose on eBay, but I was very happy to find this boxed, and hopefully the glare's not too bad. So it is a sidecar, so a 3-wheeler. We'll have a quick look at the box itself. Again, the retro design. I love that at the back, how it shows you working lights, magnet traction. I don't know why I laugh at that every time I read it, but it's cool. But yep, old school. And there's the make of the slot car, or slot bike, let's call it. So let's have a quick look inside. I'll take, just so we get no glare from the, and there we have it. So I just love how they're hanging on for dear life. I'm not too sure how these perform. I've been told they're not very good on the track, but I don't care. I'm pretty happy to find it. And again, it's an inline motor, and it's a 3-wheeler. So I will give this a run around the track, but just a quick squeeze of what it looks like from behind the screen. And we'll have a quick look at the Alfa as well. So this also comes in the traditional red Alfa racing colours, which I will try and find that as well. And there's some spares, which is really cool. Move that away, and here we go. Oop. So I think the whites on these rims are always that yellowy colour. I'm just trying to get a good view of the car for you. Nice and shiny. But very cool, and I believe, let's have a quick look. It will be rear-wheel drive inline, yeah, so standard inline motor. But very cool indeed. So Simon, mate, awesome seller. Again, I'll put a link in the video for his Facebook page. But super excited, quick unboxing. Thanks for watching. I've got some more stuff coming this week. So another seller I've purchased off, I'll be doing a review on his cars as well. And he's a new and used seller, so excited. And I might have some new truck coming to test. So again, at that Slot Car Guy, thanks for watching guys. Take care, cheers.